all its neighbors, including India. However, until India brings its atrocities in occupied Kashmir to a grinding halt, a just and lasting peace will remain elusive. For 7 decades, India has defied the will of the United Nations, as reflected through the 2 UN resolutions on Kashmir. For 7 decades, India has trampled the will of the people of Jammu and Kashmir by denying them the right of self-determination. And for 7 decades, India has used repression to silence the voice of Kashmiris demanding their inalienable rights. I would therefore urge all of you to look behind the gloss of Indian democracy and recognize the brutal nature of its policies in occupied Kashmir. In this terrorized valley of Kashmir, India brandishes democracy not through the ballot but through its bullet. Here, Indian democracy is known less for its rights and freedoms and more for its repression and brutality. The truth is, and hard and harsh fact is, that India today is a threat to its minority